How to speed up the videos on your Snapchat. To do that, what you can simply do is install the latest version of Snapchat on your device with the help of Google Play Store. If you have already done so, then simply open the Snapchat. After opening the Snapchat, you will now see an interface like this. So you can simply click any video of your own choice. Now what you can do is tap on the edit option. After tapping on the edit option, just scroll on your right side. Tap on all the allow button if you have just installed your Snapchat. So this is the slow version, and when you can see that after just scrolling on my right side, the video has been speed up. And when I just speed up again, so this 3 arrow lines will speed up your video more, and this will slow down your video, and this will speed up your video than normal, and this is the most speediest option available. So yes, this is the filter that makes your video speed up. I hope this filter will help you to do that. So you can simply save it if you want to save it, and after saving, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.